Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I have my May Eyescream Beauty Box. The bag is on the way, not here yet. We got the box first. So this is what it looks like if you're new to Eyescream Beauty. Y'all, I understand I got a little spoiler email recently. This month is supposed to be pretty great. We're supposed to actually get 6 items in here. A couple of them look like they're going to be really nice. So let's get into it. I did cut it open. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Got my card. This little card tells you everything in the box and the MSRP. So let's get into it, guys. I am excited. It says, April showers bring May flowers. All right, we're into it. Let's go. All right, first one is a set of lashes. I know this because I saw the spoiler. These are Ruby May Magnetics. These are premium 3D lashes. And these have an MSRP of $13 for one set. They are vegan, cruelty-free. There's also supposed to be an magnetic eyeliner in here. Gotta find it. Gotta find it. I think this is it. Yes. Lash Dash Magnetic Liner. It says, let's go beautiful. So it's from Loha/Ruby May Cosmetics. $13 on this as well. That's what it looks like. Just a little one. And you guys, a little bit goes a long way with this. Usually, I have found, because I do tend to wear a lot of magnetic eyelashes, I have found put your first coat on, let it dry, and then I usually put a second coat on to really make sure they stick. Not always great, but you know, I have very curvy eyes, and if I don't do that, they will pop. So, all right. So there, right there, 2 products, $26. More than the cost of the box. Very nice. All right, I see something from Duche. This is a lip definer pencil. MSRP $22. Interesting. Let's see what this looks like. Is there a color? Not sure I see a color. Ooh, I ripped the box. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a dark red. There's the color, if you guys can see that. See if there's a name on the color. Just says lip definer. It's a twist up. It's nicely shrink wrapped. I like that very much. So I'm kind of surprised there's not really like a color named on here. There's ingredients. What says waterproof lip liner. Yeah, I got nothing, guys. $22 for that. Yeah, a little pricey. All right, then we have, well, let's see what we got here. This is a Basic Beauty. This is a matte liquid lipstick, $16 for that. All right, let's take a looky. Aha, ombre. That's interesting. What do you guys think ombre is going to be? Some sort of nude color? All right. Oh, it's pretty. That's really pretty. All right, looks like I got to hold it this way. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Very, very pretty. There's the color. That is pretty. It's not sealed, so let's take a look and see what kind of doe foot. Standard doe foot. I can't tell if it has a scent, you guys. I'm wearing my ZeeSea Cosmetics, you guys. That actually has like a scent to it, so I can't tell. That's really pretty. It's a nice liquid lippy. I'm sorry, guys. I dropped that. So the color, again, is ombre. Not what I was expecting to have that name, but again, $16. All right, 2 more items, you guys. We did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here. All right, we got a palette. You always get a palette with this one, you guys. And this is Basic Blue. That's what it looks like. This is a blush and shadow palette. $42 for this, supposedly. All right, so here's how it opens, y'all. Ooh, wait a minute now. Wow. Look at that. I would just call this mostly an eyeshadow palette. Isn't this pretty? Okay. Y'all, how pretty is that, huh? I think that's neat. It's tulips. How cute. So we do have a couple of mattes. So there are some matte shades on the inner tulips, those little 3 in the middle there. And then everything else on the outside all has a little hint of shimmer to it. So that's really pretty. So there's a little information, y'all, on the back. It's white text on a light kind of blue-gray. Why do they do that? Y'all, like, why? Why do they do that? I mean, honestly. So that's nice. $42 for that. And then, you guys, I have to take stuff out of here and show y'all. So the next item, or the last item, you guys, is 6 items. So let me pull them out. I think it's 6, maybe it's 5. Okay, I might be wrong. It might be 5. This is crazy, y'all. All right, it's these items right here. So this is IB Beauty. It's an eyeshadow bundle. So this one is called Wonderland. Then we have the City Limits. Let me see if I can find where the colors are. This is called Silent Disco. I'm just going to show you all the boxes first. This one is called Fire and Ice. This one is called Road Trip. Can't really show you the color yet. And then this one is called Headliner. So let's get into these and see what they look like. We're going to start with Headliner, and they are, you guys, they're sealed. They're taped, which is really nice. So I am going to break those little tape seals to see what this looks like. If I can. Come on. There we go. So I'm curious to see if these are like little clamshell individual colors or if they're like a pan. Oh my. Okay. Kind of like, oh, they are like a little, how cute. You guys. They are super cute. They're like a little itty bitty clamshell, a little closure. All right, so this one is the color Headliner, as I said. That's pretty. I'm not going to swatch these, you guys. I very likely will end up giving these to somebody, either a friend, a family member, or it'll go into y'all's giveaway. But I'm going to open a couple of these. So this one's called Road Trip. Maybe we'll open all of them. Come on. I'm having troubles, y'all. Okay. So that is what this looks like. Very quick. Very sorry. So we've had some very nice nude, like nude colors right now with this, which is great. No problem there. Then we have, this is called Fire and Ice. Let's see what this one looks like. All right. They do a good job taping. I will say these are taped on both ends and a little tough to get through. So, all right, Fire and Ice. Come on, open up. Not what I was expecting for something called Fire and Ice. More ice than fire. Very interesting. 2 more. We have, what's the next one? Silent Disco. What color do you think Silent Disco is going to look like? Where do they come up with these names? So far, these have been like really nude colors. Very neutral nude colors. Some shimmers. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, like a kind of a reddish wine sort of look to it. That's pretty. Would be a very intense blush color. I could see that. It's pretty. Do some really pretty eye looks with these. Oh my gosh, come on, get in there. Here we go. Okay, and the last color, you guys, very different looking box on this. So this one is called Into the Woods. Ouch. And honestly, oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. I keep dropping this literally on the microphone. This one doesn't want to open, so we're going to cut in through the tape. Okay. Oh, geez. There it comes. All right. They're really jammed in there. Come on. All right. Into the Woods. So it's a dark looking case. Ooh, this one's a shimmer, but it's a very dark brown shimmer. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to catch that. There is some sparkle in there, so that's interesting. So a very like neutral nude collection of 4 single colors. Not bad at all. And that, the bundle is $25. So $5 per shade. What do y'all think of that? I think it's pretty cool. We actually ended up, if you were to consider these singles as being like a palette, it would be considered 2 palettes this month because we got this other beautiful, beautiful base blue, pretty palette. That was expensive, $42. Let me know down below. Would you guys pay $42 for that? I don't think I would. I mean, honestly, they're very pretty, but there's not a lot of like eyeshadow there. They're very pretty, but I'm just thinking along the lines of like what you could get from, say, like a Natasha Denona, like a 5-pan. You know, she's got those little 5-pan ones that usually run like $25 to $30, and they're good size pans. Or like Jeffree Star Cosmetics, you can get, sometimes if you get it on sale, you can get a really good price on one of his decent sized palettes. So I don't know. Then we got the lip liner from Duce, and that's $22. A very pretty like dark red color. We got the magnetic eyeliner for the lashes. So this was $13, and then these big, beautiful Ruby May lashes were also $13. And then we did get the lippy from Basic Beauty, and it was called Ombre, but not what I was expecting for the color Ombre. Very pretty color. So yeah, you guys, I did get an email. Like I said, it was a spoiler, showed us everything on here. And they said if you are a new subscriber, you can get your first box with all this, which is basically 6 items this month. Usually we get 5 for $22.50. So I will put the link down below, you guys. My guess is this won't be available long. So if you want to try it, even just for the 1 month, $22.50 to get this box with the 6 items in it. And they do consider those 5 single shadows as 1 item. So not bad, you guys. So we're looking at 26, 36, 42, 50, 64. I mean, you guys, you're looking at like $100 easily. No problem on that. So not a bad deal. So I also do get the beauty bag. Now that I got a ship notice, that's like at least 1 to 2 days behind getting this. I just got this today. So hopefully I'll have it by the weekend. And you guys, that is very inexpensively priced. You do pay shipping on that. With the box, you don't. So I will let you guys know. I will be filming that as soon as I get it. I'm pretty eager. I'm very new to getting the bag. So I'm testing it out for 3 months and very curious to see what I get. So let me know, you guys, down below what you think. And how many of you have joined in the last few months, Ice Cream? I know a lot of people joined last year. I think it's been a really pretty consistent box. Haven't had too much trouble. Honestly, last month in April, I got the bag and the box, and each item had a swatched item in it. But, you know, I contacted their customer service. I'm going to get like 1 month added for free to deal with it. And that's fine for me. I don't mind, you know, that works. Getting a month free is fine. So yeah, let me know, you guys. I really appreciate you taking a chance here to watch this video. And you guys, also wanted to say thank you so much for all of you who sent me your kind comments and wishes. We did make the decision to let my one sweet little barn kitty go. He just, you guys, he really rallied for like a good week to 10 days. And then like towards the end of the weekend, this last weekend, he just plummeted again. And it was like very obvious that whatever was going on was not recoverable. So we did have a local service, a veterinarian service, that would come out and help him cross at home. So, you know, as a barn cat, he's really only been in the car, the one time I went and picked him and his brother up when they were little kittens. Other than that, they always had veterinary care here on the farm. When my horse vets would come, I would have them give the kitties their annual exams and things. So I didn't want to do that to him, you guys, to like throw him in a cat carrier, put him in a car for, you know, his last few, you know, an hour or so of time here with us. So it really worked out really well. We had him under his favorite tree, and honestly, it was really sweet. We had friends and family all around. We had a bunch of people who wanted to come. I thought that was so sweet that he had such a little fan base that we kind of had a pretty good little gathering of people to bid him farewell. So that was really sweet. So I really appreciate you guys' really kind words. That's so sweet of you. And he does have a brother that he's left here, and we are, you know, lavishing lots of extra attention and love on him because, you know, he's a little confused as to, you know, where his brother went. You know, they were litter mates and we got them together. They were out of the same litter, they're brothers, and so this is a very strange experience for him as well. So I do appreciate you guys' kind words. I really do. Very kind and thoughtful of you all. So hope you guys are having a good week. I'm doing okay. So, you know, it was sad, but, you know, I kind of knew back when he was getting sick that could be the outcome. So I had kind of come to terms and to peace with it. So we tried, and it's okay. So thanks, guys. I really do appreciate it. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.